Last time we are studying isomerism in coordination compound, in which we are studying stereoisomers, in which geometrical isomers, cis and trans isomers. The next one, optical isomers. The optical isomers in octahedral complex. Here, the mirror image as shown in the structure COEN thrice plus 3. En, that is ethylene diamine. So, in the structure, we are showing the mirror image. Okay, then next one is octahedral complex existing as both geometrical and optical isomers. The example is platinum Cl2En twice plus 2. In this type, the complex, only the cis isomers exist as pair of enantiomer, as shown in figure. Then here cis isomers where En and Cl they are placed or they occupy same site, and next one is the trans Cl and En, they are occupy position which is opposite position. The square planar complex do not show enantiomers since they have mirror plane and axis of symmetry. And the next one, structural isomers, which are also called as a constitutional isomers. Structural isomers possess different linkage among their constituent atom and have their chemical formulae to be the same. They can be classified as linkage isomers or ionization isomers, also coordination isomers and solvated isomers. They are classified in these four isomers. First one is linkage isomers. These isomers are formed when the ligand has two different donor atoms. It coordinates to the metal via different donor atom. Thus, the nitrate ion NO2 minus have two different two donor atoms which are shown in this example. Here CONH3 5 NO2 plus 2 and CONH3 5 ONO plus 2. The nitro complex has CON bond and the nitro complex is linkage through COO bond. These are linkage isomers. Ionization isomers. Second one, as ionization isomers involve exchange of ligands between coordination and ionization pair. For example, here two examples. Example is CONH3 5SO4 Br, CONH3 5Br SO4. Compound 1 anion SO4 minus 2 bonded to cobalt is the coordination pair while Br is in the ionization pair. In compound second, anion Br minus is in the coordination pair linked to cobalt, while SO4 minus 2 is in ionization pair. These complexes in the solution ionize to give different ions. Here CONH3 5SO4 Br, CONH3 5SO4 plus Br minus. CONH3 5Br SO4 gives CONH3 5Br plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. This is ionization isomers. Then next one is coordination isomers. Coordination isomers show interchange of ligands between cationic and ionic pair of different metals ion. Example, CONH3 6 and CrCN6. CONH3 6 it is cationic and CrCN6 is anionic. Then CrNH3 6 is cationic and CONH3 6 it is anionic. In isomers, first cobalt is linked to amine ligands and chromium to cyanide ligands. In isomers, second, the ligand coordinating to metal ion interchange. Cobalt coordinate with cyanide ligands and chromium to NH3 ligands. First and second are examples of coordination pair. This is the cationic and anionic. This is depends on the types of ligands. They solvated isomers, hydrated isomers when water is solvent. Water is a universal solvent. These are similar to ionization isomers. Look at the complex. First complex, CONH3 6 and CrH2O6. CrH2O6 Cl3 and CrH2O5 Cl2 H2O. In the compound, first the solvated water is directly bonded to chromium. In compound second, H2 appears as free solvent molecule. So this is solvated isomers. Next one, stability of the coordination compounds. The stability of coordination compounds can be explained by knowing their stability constant. The stability is governed by metal ligand interaction. In this, the metal serves the electron pair acceptor while the ligands as Lewis base, since it is electron donor. The metal ligands interaction can be realized as the Lewis acid Lewis base interaction. Stronger the interaction, greater the stability of the complex. Consider the equilibrium for the metal ligand interaction. This is M plus NL X minus gives to M Ln A plus plus Nx minus, where Ax A plus plus Nx minus donates the charge on the metal ligand and the complex respectively. This is A is the metal charge on metal, X is the charge on ligand, and A plus plus N minus X is the charge on complex. Now the equilibrium constant K is given by K is equal to ml A plus plus Nx minus divided by M A plus plus Lx minus N. The stability of the complex can be explained in the terms K. Higher the value of K, larger the thermodynamic stability of the complex. And these are the example of the stability of the coordination compounds. The equilibria for the complex formation with corresponding K value are given below.